To find the model of your MacBook, click on the Apple icon at the top left corner. Then click on About this Mac. And look at the first two lines. The first two lines will tell you the model. For this MacBook that I'm using, it is MacBook Air, released in 2020. It's a 13-inch, and it has a Retina display. Once we know the model of the MacBook, we can use this information to look at the ports that are available on this MacBook. First, go to this documentation page. I will have the link in the description. Mine is a laptop, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Mac Laptops. Then I'm going to scroll down and look for my specific computer. If you don't find yours here, go ahead and click on Show More to see more. Mine is a MacBook Air 2020. There, that's mine, MacBook Air 2020. You can also use Command F to help you speed up the search. Press the key Command and F, then type in 2020. Now I quickly see there are 5 matches, and mine is right here. Once you see your computer, click on it. For this one, I need to click on Tech Specs to see more. Now if I go to Charging and Expansion, I can see that I have 2 USB-C ports. If I go to Audio, I also see that this one has a 3.5mm headphone jack. These are the 3 ports that are available on my Mac. Some MacBooks also have pictures to quickly and easily show you the ports that are available, like this one for a different MacBook.